Hello everyone, let's now move towards another hairstyle. You just have to make a high ponytail, then give some of the twists and the turns and try to convert it into the bun as apparent hair. Let's move with another hairstyle here again. You just have to first make a high ponytail and see how I'm fixing it using this rubber band. Now create a simple classical braid as shown here. The leftover here is taken and you just have to fix some of the rubber bands one after the other as apparent on your screen simultaneously. You just have to loosen the hair. Now place the braid over it. It looks quite good and quite nice. Let's move towards another hairstyle. This one is best suitable for the medium length hair. You just have to first take the upper portion of your hair and convert it into the braid. In total, you just have to make the 4 braids from the upper end and fix them at the proper position using the zigzag manner. Now the 2 ponytails are to be made and just convert them into the braids and fold them. Let's move towards this type of the hairstyle. You just have to take the upper section of the hair as apparent on your screens, fix them at the proper position using the 2 rubber bands and then try to create some of the braids out of it. You can just pause the video so that you don't get confused and follow the each step in a sequential manner. This one is a little bit difficult and it's a little bit time consuming also. Give it a try. It looks so cool. Thank you.